Exercise 2.6, question number 1. Solve the following. First one, 0.3 into 6. So 0.3 into 6, 0.3 can be written as 3 by 10 and into 6. So here 3 into 6, 18 by 10. So that equal to 1 by 8. Second one, 7 into 2.7. So 7 into 2.7 can be written as 27 by 10 here. Next, 7 into 27, we get 139 by 10. So that equal to 13.9. 2.71 into 5. So 2.71 can be written as 271 by 100 into 5. 271 into 5, that equal to 1355 by 100, that equal to 13.55. Next, 19.7 into 4. 19.7197 by 10 into 4. 197 into 4, that will be 788 by 10, that equal to 78.8. Next, 0.05.7. So 0.05 can be written as 5 by 100 into 7, that equal to 7 into 5, 35 by 100, that equal to 0.35. Next, sixth one, 210.01 into 5. 210.01 can be written as 2101 by 100 into 5. 21001 into 5, that means 105,005 by 100, that equal to 105.05. Now 2 into 0.86. 2 into 86 by 100, that equal to 172 by 100, that equal to 1.72. Question number 2. Find the area of rectangle whose length is 6.2 centimeter and breadth is 4 centimeter. So area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. So here length equal to 6.2 and breadth is 4. So that equal to 6.2 into 4. 6.2 can be written as 62 by 10 into 4, that equal to 248 by 10, that equal to 24.8 centimeter square. Question number 3. Solve the following. First one, 21.3 into 10. So 21.3 can be written as 213 by 10 into 10. So here 10 cancel. So we get 213 here. Next, second one, 36.8 into 10. So 36.8 can be written as 368 by 10 into 10. So 10 cancel here, 368. Third one, 53.7 into 10. So 537 by 10 into 10. Here 10 cancel. So we get 537. Fourth one, 168.07 into 10. 16807 by 100 into 10. So here 10, here 0 cancel, we get 168 0.07 by 10. So that equal to 1680.7. Next, fifth one, 131.1 into 100. So 1311 by 10 into 100. So 0 0 cancel here. 1311 into 10, 0. 156.1 into 100. 1561 by 10 into 100. So 0 0 cancel here. 1561 into 10. 15610. Seventh one, 3.62 into 100. So 362 by 100 into 100. Here 100 cancel, we get 362. Eighth one, 43.07 into 100. So 4307 by 100 into 100. 100 cancel. 4307. Ninth one, 0.5 into 10. So here 5 by 10 into 10. 10 cancel, we get 5 here. 10th one, 0.08 into 10. So here 8 by 100 into 10. 0 0 cancel. 8 by 10, that equal to 0.8. Ninth one, 0.9 into 100. 0.9 by 10 into 100. So 9 by 10 into 100. 0 0 cancel. So here we get 90. Next 0.03 into 1000. 0.03 can be written as 3 by 100 into 1000. So 100 here, 100 cancel, we get 30 here. Question number 4. A motorbike covers a distance of 62.5 kilometers consuming 1 liter of petrol. How much distance does it cover for 10 liters of petrol? So for 1 liter, it covers 62.5 kilometers. For 10 liters, how much? Then 62.5 into 10, so that equal to 625 kilometers. Question number 5. Solve the following. First one, 1.5 into 0.3. So 1.5 can be written as 15 by 10 into 3 by 10. That equal to 15 into 3, that is 45. 10 into 10, 100. That equal to 0.45. Second one, 0.1 into 47.5. So here 0.1 can be written as 1 by 10. 47.5 can be written as 475 by 10. That equal to 475 by 100. That equal to 4.75. Third one, 0.2 into 210.10. So here 2 by 10 into 2108 by 10. That equal to 4216 by 100. That equal to 42.16. Fourth one, 4.3 into 3.4. 4.3 can be written as 43 by 10 and 3.4 can be written as 34 by 10. So here 43 into 34, we get 1462, and 10 into 10 we get 100. So this can be written as 14.62. Fifth one, 0.5 into 0.05. 0.5 can be written as 5 by 10 and 0.05 can be written as 5 by 100. 5 into 5, 25, and 10 into 100, 1000, and this can be written as 0.025. Sixth one, 11.2 into 0.10. 11.2 can be written as 112 by 10 into 0.10 can be written as 10 by 100. That equal to 1120 by 10 into 100, 1000. So this is 1.12. Fourth one, 1.07 into 0.02. So here 107 by 100 into 2 by 100. 107 into 2, that is 214 by 10000, that equal to 0.0214. 10.05 into 1.05. So 1005 by 100 into 105 by 100, that equal to 105525 by 10000, that equal to 10.5525. Next 101.01 into 0.01. So here 2 digits, that means 10101 by 100 and 1 by 100, it can be written. So 10101 by 10000, that equal to 1.0101. Next 70.01 into 1.1. So 70.01 can be written as 7001 by 100 into 1.1 can be written as 11 by 10. So 7001 into 11, that will be 77011 by 100 into 10, 1000, that equal to 77.011. Question number 6. Solve the following. First one, 2.3 divided by 1000. So 2.3 can be written as 23 by 10 divided by 100 divided by 100, that equal to 23 by 10 into 1 by 100. So next 23 by 10 into 100, that is 1000, that will be 0.023. Next 0.45 divided by 5, that means 0.45 can be written as 45 by 100 divided by 5 by 1, that equal to 45 by 100 into 1 by 5, that equal to, here 5, here 9 times, that will be 9 by 100, that equal to 0.09. 44.3 divided by 10, that will be 443 by 10 divided by 10 by 1, that equal to 443 by 10 into 1 by 10, that equal to 443, 10 into 10, 100. So 100 means 4.43. Fourth one, 127.1 divided by 1000. 127 means 1271 divided by 10 by 1000 by 1, that equal to 127 by 10 into 1 by 1000. 127 by 000, that equal to 0.1271. Fifth one, 7 divided by 3.5. 7 by 1 by 35 by 10, that equal to 7 by 1 into 10 by 35. 7 1 7 5s, 5 here 2 times, that equal to 2. Next 88.5 divided by 0.15. 885 by 10 divided by 15 by 100, that equal to 885 by 10 into 100 by 15. So here 10 cancel, here 15, here 59. So 59 into 10 become 590. Next 0.4 divided by 20, that means 4 by 10 divided by 20 by 1, that equal to 4 by 10 into 1 by 20. 4 ones, 4 5s, 1 by 50, that equal to 0.02. Seventh one, a side of a rectangular polygon is 3.5 centimeter in length. The perimeter of the polygon is 17.5 centimeter. How many sides does the polygon has? So here perimeter of polygon equal to number of sides into length of side. Now perimeter is given, that is 17.5. Number of sides, let's keep x into length of each side, that will be 3.5. Then x is equal to 17.5 divided by 3.5. So that equal to 175 by 10 by 35 by 10, that equal to 175 by 10 into 10 by 35. So 10 cancel here, and here 5 times, that equal to 5. So number of sides are 5 here. Question number 8. A rainfall of 0.896 centimeter was recorded in 7 hours. What was the average amount of rain per hour? So here average equal to total by number of hours. So we are going to find out the average amount. That means total is 0.89 centimeter by number of hours is 7. So that equal to 896 by 1000 into 1 by 7, that equal to here 128. So 128 by 1000, that equal to 0.128 centimeter. So the average amount is 0.128 centimeter.